Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get the free trial of TradingView Premium on your computer or on your mobile. So this will be a very simple and straightforward tutorial, so let's get straight into it. So the first step is to go to Google, the search bar, and here type TradingView. So as you can see, this TradingView, and click on the first link. After that, you will land on this page. So whether you're taking your first steps in trading or you just want to test this app, you can get started for free. So click on this button here, get started for free. Here you can use TradingView, not the premium version, for free, but for the premium version, you can use whatever type you want here. Let's just go with the essential one. You can try for free for 30 days. You cannot try the expert and ultimate ones, so let's go with the essential one. So try free for 30 days here, and then sign up with your account, so whether it's Google, Facebook, X, or whatever. And here you will land on this page. So to start the free 30-day essential trial, you will have to fill in this form and add your payment details. So you will not be billed today, you will be billed after 30 days. As you can see here, the essential trial is $0, and after that you will pay $167. But you can set a reminder to cancel the subscription before this date that appears here, so you can use the app for free and create a new account. So that's it guys, that's as easy as it gets. So don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.